Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing and another video about my favorite bag. So the Jordan Monogram bag, this is the 25 liters, that is one important thing. I've worn it more or less daily for over 2 years. I would say almost 3 years now, but at least 2 years. And I really like it. I wouldn't call it the perfect bag because I would like to have an outside pocket either on the side or in the middle. But I like it. I like the size. I would also like that the zipper goes all the way to the edges, so it's easier to load in. But it's a weekend bag and I wear it as an everyday bag and I really like it. It looks great. I get a lot of compliments for it, and I love to say, when I get compliments for it and people assume that it's expensive, I say, no, it's a $100 bag. It isn't a $100 bag, but it's fun to say though, no, it's a cheap bag and I really recommend it. So for that reason, I really do recommend them, the Jordan Monogram bags. The weird thing is just that they are sort of hard to get here in Sweden. I don't understand that at all. So I like this. I like the black and gold. They had one now that had what do they call the fake leather? Sort of vegan leather or something. And I wanted to try it just to see how the fake leather is, but the chrome Jumpman and zipper, it wasn't for me. So for the first time here in Europe, I saw that they had the 40 liters. This is, as I said, the 25 liters. They had the 40 liters as well. So I got sort of curious just to see how it is. But should I buy another bag that I don't use? Nah. And the main thing that I sort of dislike with this one is that it's a little bit boring. Yeah, maybe it looks a little bit too much like a Louis Vuitton keep-all, but that's sort of the point with the whole monogram. Now this is a 55, but it's supposed to look like this. So the monogram and the size, and no pockets, and just keep it simple. But the monogram bag, the Jordan Monogram bag, has the inside pocket that you don't have on the Louis Vuitton keep-all. So in US, they have sold them in a bunch of colors. I would like to have the all red one. The only thing that I sort of think is boring with it is that it's classy. It looks good. It looks luxurious. But sometimes I want something to be colorful and poppy. And then I have this one. I really like the color. I really do. But it's a bit much for an everyday bag. And since it's so colorful, it doesn't match with everything. And when I have matching sneakers with it, it looks even more childish. Then I have this one that is even more classy, but also sort of boring. And the only time, do I still have marks? Yeah, the only time that I've used it, somebody stepped on it. So it's too good looking to have stains on it. And with all that said, I believe that Jordan brand has now released the perfect Jordan Monogram duffel bag for me. Perfect. So that's the long intro of my unboxing. This bag sold out quickly in US. It got released a couple of days ago in US. Here in Sweden, we don't have it on the Nike European site. So thanks to Zalando, I found it. a bit more expensive than the other ones. So the other ones have a retail price in US on $125. And here in Sweden, it's been the same. This one was $170. So a bit much for the Jordan Monogram bag, but if it would be any other brand, everybody would pay for it. So let me show you what it looks like. And the color code or color name is Sail White, but as you can see, it's called Paint Splatter, and I really like it. What I like mainly is that we have unmatching colors everywhere, and I really like that with unmatching. So red, green, purple, yellow, red, blue, orange, and the inside is beautiful green, like the tag. I really like it. It's sold out quickly in US, and on StockX they go for like almost $300. So yeah, resale prices on a cheap bag, but I think it's really cool. I'm pretty sure this should be the 25 liters. No, it might, no, I believe this is the bigger one actually. Yeah, this is the bigger one. It says size L, large, but when you go to Nike's site, they have measures there, and I believe this is 47 centimeters in width, and I believe this is 50. So let me take something to measure it with, but it looks bigger. It absolutely is bigger. And I do prefer the 25 liter size because the 40 liter size, yeah, is too big as a daily carry bag. Now I want the 25 liters. And where should I get that one? It might look like a minor difference in size, but for an everyday carry bag, it's just slightly too big. So this one should be 47 centimeters. Yep. And this one looks bigger. Yeah, it's 54, so it's a 55 bag. Yeah, so it's as big as the Louis Vuitton Keep All bag. The 55, yeah, it's the same size. And that is too big to have as an everyday carry bag. So that's why it was more expensive. And I maybe should have checked that on Zalando's site. I was just happy to find it. So I still like it, I will still keep it, but I really want the 25 liter. If you want to change with me, just let me know. But good looking bag, I like the bag, but I really do prefer the 25 liter because I use it as an everyday carry bag. I use it every day, everywhere I go. And 40 liter is just too big for that reason. I need the 25 liter as soon as possible before it sells out everywhere. If you know anywhere I can get the 25 liter here in Europe, let me know. And still looks good, absolutely looks good, but it will just be sitting in my collection. I got sort of off track because of the size, but I think I said what I wanted to say. I recommend the bags. You have the inside pockets. I would like an outside pocket for the phone, or outside pocket. And they are available all the sizes that have been released, I'm pretty sure, have been available in both 25 liter and the 40 liter. And the 25 liter are 47 in size, which means you can carry it with you on all plane trips. The 55 or 54 was the old size to carry on planes, but most airlines have changed that to 45 instead. So the 45 size 25 liters are 47 centimeters, and the 40 liters are 54 centimeters. Yeah, it's just that we go by the 45, 50, and 55 sizes. But 25 liter, perfect size for your gym bag, your everyday bag, weekend bag. And 40 liters is a bit much, but a cool looking bag. I need to get to 25 liters as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I forgot one sort of important thing. Of course, I have matching sneakers to that bag as well. Of course. I really like these sneakers.